From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, happy Friday evening, State College. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright, and we're going to step right into Hurricane Florence, currently a Category 1 hurricane spinning over the southern portion of North Carolina. It made landfall this morning just south of Wilmington, North Carolina. It is not over though. It may have made landfall, but it is still sitting in this area, and it is going to stay there. Now the winds have died down, the category has been degraded, but it is not over yet. It is still a very prominent system as a result of all the rain. And all the rain that they are going to get is up close to 16 to 20 inches in some areas. And that's just more rain to come, because this thing is just going to sit there for a while. Currently, as I said, it is 75 mile an hour winds, but that is not the big deal. Look at the movement of this system. West at 6 miles an hour. That is just a little faster than a brisk power walk for the normal human being. So some of us could probably exercise a little faster than that. So this is going to be moving at 6 miles an hour westward, and it's going to be sitting in this area for a long time. As you saw with those rain totals, those are going to start to build up, therefore allowing for a lot of rain to fall and have the risk of flooding, even more flooding inland as we head on throughout the next couple of days. But then we will have to watch it over the course of the next week or so, because we could see some impacts here in Pennsylvania, mainly more rain. So just what we need here in central PA. But we don't have any rain falling here. Looking out over the Arboretum, 73 degrees, a generally cloudy sky, and then temperatures around the rest of the state, 76 over in Bradford, warmer towards the west, I should say, 76 in Franklin, 81 over in Pittsburgh, and then cooler towards Philadelphia, 75, 76 in Allentown, and then dew points. Well, that's another story. Here in State College, 70 degrees for the dew point. Yee. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm tired of the humidity. It's one of those things where in the middle of fall, you're in that transition of fall and summer. Can we just get to the cold, some fall mornings and the warm fall evenings, but without the humidity? Well, we're not doing that today. 66 in Du Bois for a dew point, and then 69 in Philadelphia, so the amount of moisture in the air. It is not great if you're trying to do an outdoor workout or do some outdoor gardening or lawn prep for the coming winter. So looking at the satellite and radar, we do have the clouds around Pennsylvania. We're actually clearing some towards Erie and Franklin, but we are socked in here in the central portion of the state. And, well, that's not going to change for much, because we do expect a low of 67 degrees under a mostly cloudy sky. And then tomorrow, we do expect a high of 75 degrees under another mostly cloudy sky. So the clouds are here to stick around with us. And then, well, your Penn State game day forecast, 12 p.m. kickoff, 69 degrees as we kick off. And then in the halftime, roughly 72 degrees, and warming up to about 74 by the fourth quarter. So it should be an interesting game as Penn State plays Kent State in Beaver Stadium. So looking at the 7-day forecast, though, we do have some changes on the way. The weekend looks dry for now, 77 by Sunday, but then here is when we can expect the impacts of Florence here in our area. More rain, 74 to 78 degrees on Monday and Tuesday, and again, more rain. So just what we need. The ground is already saturated, so we will have to pay attention to that as time moves on. But then look at what we have later on in the week. We do start to dry out by Wednesday, 75 degrees, 73 by Thursday, and then warming back up to about the mid-70s by Friday. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright. Make it a great day, everybody.